Hi everyone, my name is Mutambaho and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be taking you through primary sources of information in information literacy. And primary sources can basically be defined as original materials or first-hand accounts created at a time of event or phenomenon being studied. These offer evidence or first-hand testimony of the event or person or on a topic. In information literacy, in examples, we can talk about examples include talk about letters, you can talk about speeches, you can talk about an interview, you can talk about an original research, you can talk about artifacts, you can talk about photographs, you can talk about government documents, you can talk about autobiographies, you can talk about eyewitness accounts and historical records. All these fall under a category of primary sources, reason being they offer first-hand testimony of the event or a person or a certain topic. Primary sources also have benefits in day-to-day life, and some of the benefits we can talk about. Importances of, maybe we can talk about discipline, and under the importances of discipline we can talk about the history, talk about the part of history and how do we explain this for someone to know. Maybe if I'm talking about history, what do you understand, you as an individual? This is what I mean. Historical research, because they prove direct insight into past events, cultures and people. Historians, remember, heavily on primary sources to construct narratives and interpretations of historical events. Then even they benefit people in the literature sector. How? Such as the original texts. You can talk about the manuscripts and letters to analyze and interpret the works of the author. They also help in understanding the author's intentions or cultural context and literacy techniques. Basically, this is what we can talk about, some of the importances of primary sources in the other sector of discipline. We even have more. We can talk about the sector of science, because you all know that original research articles such as experiments, observational data and lab reports, these all help scientists in proving first-hand evidence of those experiments, maybe in the libraries, maybe in the laboratories. They all gather this information as first-hand and they tend to prove the point, because no one can argue when you bring on table a first-hand evidence or testimony of a certain piece of article, information or data analysis and so on. These sources are essential for validating scientific theories, conducting meta-analysis and advancing knowledge in various scientific fields. I hope we are all together and this is self-explanatory to all of us. We can even talk about the social science sector in day-to-day life still, because we can give an explanation of this as they encompass a wide range of materials, including interviews, survey, case studies and field observations. Researchers use these sources to explore human behavior, societal trends and cultural phenomena. I hope this is clear to all of us now. So, generally, primary sources, as we had already defined it before, it is a first-hand evidence and testimony of an event or a person or a topic. It is used in day-to-day life to prove evidence. Yes, to prove evidence in very many sectors of life. I think this is all I have for you, and maybe I will add on more in my next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.